So if you ever need to like schedule me time or maybe schedule a block of time, maybe even a recurring block of time where you don't want to be scheduled, okay? What do you do? I mean, how do you make that happen so that when people go, so you don't really have anything in mind, it's just that you don't want to be scheduled for any kind of meeting that somebody comes up with during this particular time frame, on this particular day or on each of these days, whatever, right? So let's say, for instance, that on Mondays, okay, let's just say that, or actually, we won't do Monday, we'll do Wednesday. So on every Wednesday, and let's just say from let's say 3 o'clock until 5 o'clock, every Wednesday from now on until the end of the year, you want to be left alone. You don't want to be scheduled for anything, okay? So you need to mark these areas as busy still, so that when somebody tries to schedule you, they'll see that you're busy and can't be, disturbed there, all right? So at this point, what we'll do is I'm going to go to the Wednesday here, which will be next Wednesday, let's say. Double click that, all right? And the title on this is just going to be, I'm just going to call it busy, all right? And that way, in case I'm sharing my calendar with people, they can see that I'm busy. They don't know what it is, they just know I'm busy, all right? And so then I need to go up to here and mark this as busy. I can even put in out of the office, and that'll really give people the idea that I'm nowhere to be found. But I'll just put here busy, all right? And then I'm going to go over here to the recurrence, all right? And this is going to be a weekly thing, every week, every Wednesday, until the end of time. No, we'll just say until the end of the year, all right? So we're going to do this until this, I'll just say January 1st there, right? Which is a Wednesday. And anyway, we'll be off anyway, but nonetheless, there we go, okay? Now, once I've done that, I check it over, I say, okay, we got one more thing. We got to worry about the time here. So it's going to be from, in this case, from 3 o'clock until 5, right? So 2 hours there. This thing got all messed up here. Let me just cancel out of this real quick. One of the problems I made here is I made it all a day. I need to kind of turn that off there. So busy, let me set it here, starting at 3 o'clock, all right, until 5 o'clock. There we go. All right. Busy. That's the frame there. Hit recurrence. Okay. So now we got 3 to 5, 2 hours, weekly, every week, every Monday, or every Wednesday, I'm sorry. And this is going to go until, as I said before, just till January 1st. And that's it. And then once we've done that, we hit OK. And it says one's in conflict. Oh, that's okay. And then once we've done that, we do save and close. All right. And there we go. So this is going to go until, again, the end of time here. No. Until, there we go, January 1st. All right. So that's how you do that. Now, the other thing you can do, too, is you can, instead of having it be, in this case, we got March here. Now, if you want to make it so where you're busy, but if you really need to be bothered and scheduled for something, you're open to it. In this case, what you can do is you can double click it, entire series, hit OK, and instead of being busy, you can say it's tentative. So you can be maybe talked into it, all right? So going to their meeting. So we go ahead and hit save and close. All right. and now that'll be more of a tentative thing. You can kind of see like a little stripy looking thing there, and somebody that's scheduling a meeting will see that as well and go, okay, it does look like it's a time that he needs to be, you know, left alone, but he did say it's tentative, so we're going to go for it and try to schedule him. You can also use this same thing and specify your time as being free, which means that you're free to be scheduled. In other words, it's more of an inviting thing, like, hey, you know what, this time of day, you know, or whatever, on these various days that I've got marked as, well, let me just show you here. So I go maybe to this one here. I'll double click that one. If I set it for free and I do whatever I do here, it's going to show up as a free spot where people can say, oh, okay, it's free. He's really willing to do anything we need him to do during that time because he's got it marked as free. We'll schedule a meeting during that time. See, so you can do it like that as well. All right, so there you have it. So I appreciate you watching the video. Hopefully you've got some ideas here to work with. Take care.